Every single one of us is a work in progress, including myself. There are some habits I have that I need to work on. I may not know some of what I need to work on, so I rely on you to let me know, you know what, you need to work on this and on this. In my circle, I love it when my friends tell me, you know what, you need to just look at this and that. If my father was here today, he would tell me, don't scream, you're screaming. But excuse me, we're in Zanzibar, breathing fresh air. We are very energetic, mashallah. And you know what? Alhamdulillah. I don't think I'm yelling and screaming, but I'm just trying to make a point. Right? Can I raise my volume again? Allah, my father must have heard that, inshallah. Why I say that is simply because in order to know that we also have people who tell us, do this and don't do this, you should have done this and you should not have done that. I remember giving a lecture once and I was speaking very loud and I spoke to my father in the evening after Taraweeh and the talk and everything, and he says, you were standing and delivering the talk. I said, yes. He said, tomorrow sit down. And I know exactly his polite way of telling me, you are screaming, you are yelling. I was seated the next day and still screaming a little bit and yelling a little bit. I thought he would tell me to lie down. May Allah Almighty bless us. But nonetheless, the point I'm raising is when you help someone, Allah will help you. When you give, Allah will give you. When you look at those above you, you suffer. In what? In material items. In religion and closeness to Allah, you look at those above you and you say, inshallah, I will be there. But don't just say, inshallah, make an effort. I was saying we are a work in progress. I am too. So are you. You have things you know you need to change. I have things I know I need to change. I have things I would like to improve on. I need to spend more time with the Quran. As the years are passing, I need to ensure that I spend more time reading the hadith as well, learning, expanding, refreshing, revising. I'm talking of myself. And all of us, I think we're also in the same boat, subhanallah.